Hello friends, it's been a while since we traveled to Raja Ampat in Indonesia, the so-called last paradise, and we had a 4-week vacation. In the following multi-part series, we want to show you what you can experience there and how you can travel to Raja Ampat. First of all, we want to show you how you can travel the last paradise and what you need to consider. First of all, you have to fly either to Bali or to Jakarta to take a domestic flight to Sorong. There you are already in the middle of West Papua. It was out of the question for us to stay in Sorong any longer. However, if you are interested in cities in Southeast Asia, the city will have 1 or 2 sites in store for you. However, locals also advised us not to stay longer in Sorong. So we took a taxi from the airport to Sorong port, and there we got a ferry to Versailles. Here you can choose between economy and VIP class. There's no really difference between the classes, so we choose economy. You then can pay a tourist fee at the ferry terminal in Versailles, and if you want to go diving or snorkeling, you can get a marine card there. You need the marine card for all water activities you can do in Raja Ampat. But at least we cannot tell you whether the money paid actually reaches the nature. You will usually be picked up by your accommodation from the port, so you should definitely clarify this before when booking, so you can write them, for example, on booking.com. We were picked up by Methos Homestay and taken to the accommodation by boat. After 36 hours, we arrived at Methos Homestay. We spent 2 weeks here. From the first moment, it felt like we had arrived in the real paradise. But see yourself. So what can we tell you about the 2-week stay at Methos Homestay? The hosts are really friendly and accommodating. If you have a concern, they will help you immediately. In the nearest village, you can find a small kiosk where you can buy like soft drinks and beer. The beer was quite expensive, so we skipped it, and you can book trips with Methos Homestay, and they are relatively cheap and they're very nice. We can highly recommend the snorkeling trip to the manta rays and the tour around Palau Manzoa. The bungalows were very well equipped and the food was delicious. After a week of white rice, we were craving something different. However, that's a matter of taste. The accommodation is very original and you can really enjoy Raja Ampat to the fullest. The sanitary facilities were very clean, but you have to accept that you only have to shower with a bucket and rainwater. For us, that was not a problem. Unfortunately, the accommodation lacks a jetty, so that you can go into the water even if it's low tide. Currently, the employees and the guests have to walk across the reef top at low tide, and the reef gets destroyed by this behavior. It's very sad. I hope they will build a jetty there so you can go in the water even if it's low tide. All in all, we really enjoyed the stay at Methos Homestay, and we can recommend it to you. So guys, we hope you liked the video, and if you have some questions, just comment below and like the video. The next part will be about our travel to Nyande Homestay and about diving in Raja Ampat.